Hello, welcome back to Exclusively Nail Art. So stay tuned if you'd like to learn how to do this fantastic V-nail art today. These are the materials that I use to complete this nail art. You can use any tape, you don't have to use washi tape. This is the first step and it's going to be painting the base coat. Once your base coat is done, you are going to do not just one layer of base color, but two. Once your second coat is done, you are going to wait for your nails to dry completely before you put on any tape. Once they're completely dry, you use the tape to make the V shapes that you want on your nails, and then you paint the dark purple polish on top and pull off the washi tape. Now that your dark purple color is done, you are going to go back in with the silver striper and fix up any boo-boos that you made. Now your final step is going to be painting on the top coat to make sure that your manicure does not chip. And that is the finished results. I hope that you liked this nail art tutorial. If you did, please give it a like. And if you'd like to see more, please hit the subscribe button. And if you need a more detailed version of this nail art, please click on the video that you see here. Thanks for stopping in. Bye!